channel. Championship Collector here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a look at the Marvel Legends Tesseract roleplay item and 6-inch Loki from the TV show Loki. This came out in 2022 and I just heard about it, so I got it and I'm going to have a look at it. So join me, let's go. Well, welcome back to the table. I have a bit of a new setup here, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to go. Hopefully it won't be too shaky. Well, we're going to give it a try. So today we're going to be unboxing this guy. So the Tesseract roleplay item, life size, light effects, and a 6.5 inch Marvel Legends scale Loki from the TBA. I didn't know this was released. I'd never even seen this. So as soon as I seen it, I'm like, I gotta get this and have a look at it. Needs some batteries, have them there. So let's get into it. So I don't really like the box design. I think it just looks like it's the roleplay item from the show Loki. It doesn't look like you have to really look at it before you realize you're getting a Loki as well. So, now this is one of the plastic-free packaging ones that Marvel Legends were doing. And let's see. Oof, this is quite heavy. Oh, I like that box. It's a really hard plastic box here. So it's obviously the Loki figure. I'll leave him out of the way. This does have a very good weight to it. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I do not know how this seems to work here. Oh. Anybody who's watched these videos know I don't really like looking at things. Whoa! So there you go. That's how it opens. This is the inside piece. Oh, what's the light? How does this open? Wires. Well, the battery's going there. I need screws. All right, I'm going to unscrew this, put in the batteries, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Got the batteries in it. Takes 3 batteries. Was one screw, pretty quick. So it turns on like so. And then you pop it back inside. And you close it. Oh, like that. All right. And when you close it, it looks like that. And that is pretty incredible. Look at that. That's great, man. And then it slides into its protective box somehow. And you seal it up. That's that. Like, that's incredible. Incredible. Kind of does a glowy, dim, glow, dim. You probably can't see that very well on the video, but that's great. If I had one negative to say about it is you cannot turn it on and off when it's in Tesseract mode, so you have to open it and then push the button on the side. It turns off. So, I mean, look, It would have been nice if it was motion activated, maybe, or when you moved it, it came on. But what a great role play item! What a great shelf piece. So let's take a look at Loki. All right, so this is the Loki figure. Now, this, I think, I could be wrong, but I think this is the only way that Loki was released in this outfit without the jacket. I think the regular Legends version had him with the whole jacket on, and I mean, this is a much better look for the character. All right. Okay, let me see. He looks good. Looks good. Head movement. Arms. Twisty twist. A little bit tight. That's all right. Wrists. Yeah, good. Elbows are a little bit tight. I probably have to loosen them up. Just be careful because you don't want it to snap. Let me see, how's the likeness on him? Come on, zoom in. Whoop. So that looks, that's him. That looks good. Looks good. Hair looks nice. Detailing is nice. No complaints there. Tie is spot on. Belt. Oh, look at that. Good. Tie is loose, so it doesn't affect the ab crunch. It's not just stuck on there. That's good. Back, forward, back, forward. Just get that in there. And see, yeah. Double knees. Feet. Shoes, nice brown loafers, boots, whatever they are. And yeah, I mean, I really like him. He's cool. Oh, okay, so I mean, that could affect you. You have to turn. Oh, maybe you don't. Oh, there you go. Look, beautiful. It's got the space for the sword at its back. Let's open these accessories and have a look. He does look. That is a good likeness on him. Accessories. I mean, you don't get any extra hands or anything, but I mean, you're getting the Tesseract, so Tesseract. It's a flaming sword, so that goes up like this. All right, that is nice. Some lovely looking details on this. It's really well painted. How does it fit in his hand? It's good. I mean, he looks great. Fit in the scarab. Yes, it does. Well, there you go. Loki. And the Tesseract. Now I will show these. Whoops. I will show these up for a closer look at the figure standing up, a couple of poses right beside the Tesseract. I'll have him lighten up. We'll have a good look at it. So stay tuned. I'm going to get to the table right now. So here we are, back in the corner. There's our Loki. Looking pretty good. Stands well enough. Now, he doesn't, I didn't mention this in the video, but he doesn't seem to have any waist articulation. The line seems to be there for it, but when you try and turn it, there's no turn. If this is just a case where it needs to be warmed up, but I tried to just Google some pictures of him, and he doesn't seem to have. I haven't seen any videos where he's actually turning his waist, so or any pictures where he's turning his waist. This is it. Let me put the slide thing there. Great flame and sword effect. And like that's pretty great. And here is our Tesseract. That's him beside it. Give you an idea. All right, now that's not 100% dark. There's still another light on here someplace. But that's, you see? Wow, so like it's a lot of light coming off of this thing. See it, you can see it shimmering there. Picking up the cameras, picking it up a little weird, but yeah. Looks pretty great. Looks pretty great. Welcome back. I'm just gonna throw a quick addendum in here. I played around with him and I did get his waist to work. So he does have full turn on his waist there. And I want you to be leaving the video thinking he's got no waist. He does, in fact, have quite the waist turn. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time. Hello. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, comment. Let me know. Teach me something.